Hello students, continuation of the straight lines. Next is theorem is let L1 a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 represent the two intersections lines. Then first one is the equation of L1 lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0 for parametric values of lambda 1 and lambda 2 with lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 whole square is not equal to 0 represent the family of straight lines passing through the point of intersecting of the lines L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. Previous class you are discussing about the family of the straight lines or concurrent lines. Same depends on this. You have the theorem is lambda 1 is not equal to lambda 2 is not equal to 0. Lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 is not equal to 0. Then L1 and L2 is a family of the straight lines. You can prove that conversely. The conversely equation of the any straight line passing through the point of intersecting of the straight line on the L1 lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0 for any real value of lambda 1 comma lambda 2 such that lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 square is not equal to 0. You have to prove if you have it is the equation is a intersecting line equation. How can you prove? Listen here. Proof. First, let P of x1 comma y1 be the point of the intersection of the given pair of straight lines. Intersection means you can write here intersecting the two lines. Here calling them x1 comma y1. L1 L2 is lines are here. L1 and L2 are two lines are intersecting at the P of x1 comma y1. Therefore, I can write where it is not a parallel. Therefore, L1 and L2 are intersection. Therefore, L1 is equal to a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. L2 as you can write here a2 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2 is equal to 0. Same at x1 comma y1 only. Here interchanging the a1 b1 c1 as it is a2 b2 c2. Both are different. Okay. The constant is very not. Next first one is lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 square is equal to 0, not equal to 0. Then you can write at least one of the lambda 1 and lambda 2 is different from 0 because lambda 1 is not equal to 0, that implies lambda 2 is equal to 0, or lambda 2 is not equal to 0, therefore lambda 1 is equal to 0. It is maybe possible, that is okay. Then we say that lambda 1 b1 plus lambda 2 b2 is cannot be both are equal to 0. Cannot be equal to 0. Can write here plus is equal to 0. Hence the equation you can write here. Hence you can say that the lambda 1 or comma lambda 1 a1 plus lambda 2 a2 cannot be both equal to 0. Here a1 b1 lambda 1 is not equal to 0, lambda 2 is not equal to 0, therefore you can both are not equal to 0. Then we can consider, hence we say that, or we consider equation how can write here lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0. You can substitute here L1 and L2 value. You can simplify. What will you get? See, lambda 1 plus lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0. I am taking the lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0. Therefore lambda 1 of L1 is how much it is? A1 x1 plus B1 y1 plus C1 is equal to 0. Sorry, plus again lambda 2 of L2 is how much it is? A2 x1 B2 y1 plus C2 is equal to 0. This can be written as lambda 1 A1 plus lambda 2 A2 of x1. Lambda 1 A1 x1, lambda 2 A2 x1. Therefore I am taking the x1 common, lambda A1 plus lambda 2 A2. Similarly lambda 1 B1, lambda 2 B2 y1 and lambda 1 C1, lambda 2 C2 is equal to 0. This is our required equation. Therefore lambda 1 C1, lambda 2 L2 is equal to, I can write here. This can be as again, I can take here lambda 1 common, same as it is. A1 x1, B1 y1, C1, lambda 2 A2 x1, B2 y1, C2 is equal to 0. This is equation and equation 1 and 2. Observe here, passing through the P of x1 comma y1. P of x1 comma y1. Both are same. It is a form of ax plus b plus c is equal to 0. These are lambda L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Both are here same. Therefore you can write the n's for parametric values of lambda 1 and lambda 2 with what you are taking here, lambda 1 plus lambda 2 square is not equal to 0. Thus condition I observe. Therefore lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0 represent a family of straight lines. Can prove conversely. See, second one is conversely, means this is, let L is a P of x plus Py Qy plus R is equal to 0. Px plus Qy plus R is equal to 0 with a straight line passing through the P of x1 comma y1. This is a line equation. This is L1 and L2. Therefore in this theorem we already given that is a lambda A1 plus lambda A2 and lambda 2 A2 plus lambda 2 B2 and lambda C1 plus lambda 2 C2 is a form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore this is a p, this is a q, this is a r only. It is given already. It is intersecting of the form. Therefore you can write here family of the straight lines. Family of the straight line, how can write here? Lambda 1 plus r, you can write from 1, r is equal to minus p x1 q y1. Therefore r is equal to minus p of x1 is how much it is? Sorry, minus x1 into p is how much it is? Lambda 1 a1 plus lambda 2 a2 plus y1 into, this is also minus you are getting here, minus y1 into q is nothing but lambda 2 a2 plus lambda 2 b2. This you are getting here. Okay. Therefore r is equal to, I can write once again, minus lambda 1 of a1 x1 plus a2 y1. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. a2 b1 y1 This is y1 means you can write here a1 a2, this b1 b2, c1 c2. Therefore what will get here? b1 y1. Already you can take the minus common, and minus lambda 2 of a2 x1 plus b2 y1. You got here minus lambda 1 into a x1 plus b y1 and minus lambda 2 a2 x1 plus b2 y1. Already this is complete. R is equal to minus p1 x1 minus q y1. You can substituting the x1 and y1, you can simplify. R is equal to minus lambda 1 of a1x plus b y1 minus lambda 2 a2 x1 plus b2 y1. Therefore I can write here p of x plus q of y plus r is equal to lambda 1 a1 plus lambda 2 a2 x plus lambda 1 b1 lambda 2 b2 y plus lambda 1 c1 plus lambda 2 c2 is equal to this form of lambda L1 plus lambda 2 L2. This is a form of R means you can write this is equal to lambda 1 c1 lambda 2 c2 only. You can all bring this side. What happened? That is a form of this R is equal to minus px1 minus q1. Therefore bring all this side. You can get a px plus qy plus r is equal to 0. You can bring this side. These are all the positive values. This is a negative. You can bring this side. Whatever is also you get the positive only. Therefore lambda 1 a1 plus lambda 2 a2 x plus lambda 1 b1 plus lambda 2 a2 y plus lambda 1 c1 plus lambda 2 is equal to is nothing but you can write here lambda 1 of a1x plus b1y plus c1 and lambda 2 of a2 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the form of lambda 1 L1 lambda 2 L2. The equation you can say that is thus the equation of any straight line passing through the point intersection of the lines L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 can be expressed in the form lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0, where some lambda 1 is not equal to lambda 2 is lambda 1 whole square plus lambda 2 whole square is equal to not equal to 0. This is a very important condition. Depends on this condition you have to see the problem. Problem is very simple. See one example. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point intersect of the lines x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0, containing the point is 5 comma minus 2, intersecting the point is 5 comma minus 2. Find the concrete lines means you can find the equation of the straight line passing through the intersecting. Given L1 you can observe here x plus y L1 is equal to 0, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and L2 is 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This can be as the intersecting form intersection of the straight line, I can write here L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. What I am taking here? L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Where lambda is a parameter only. You can take any one. Therefore, L1 is, how can I write here? L1 is x plus y plus 1 plus lambda as it is. L2 is 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, you can observe here x of plus 2 lambda, 1 plus 2 lambda into x, 1 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, plus I can write here 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Or passing through which point, that is 5 comma minus 2. You can substitute here x comma y values, here y 1 minus lambda into y plus 1 plus lambda is a constant only. Passing through the 5 comma minus 2, substitute here x value 1 plus 2 lambda of x is nothing but 5, 1 minus lambda into minus 2 plus 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Therefore 5 plus 10 lambda minus 2 plus 2 lambda plus 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. How much you are getting here? 17 lambda you are getting. 10 plus 2 plus 5, that is a 17 lambda. What is the constant is 5, minus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 4 by 17. You can substitute here, you get the answer here. X plus y plus 1, what is the lambda is? Minus 4 by 17 of 2x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, your required equations you can write here 17 of x plus y plus 1 of minus 4 into 2x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. You can simplify, you get the answer is, you can write here, I am writing here 17x minus 8x, how much it is? 9x. And 17y plus 4, that is 21y, plus 17 minus 20 is, I can write here minus 3, or you can write it, this is 3x plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line passing through the point and intersecting there. Okay, this is the method of the finding the equation. Next theorem, condition for the concurrent lines. Previously you have discussing only two lines. In this theorem you can discussing about the 3 lines if it is given. Let L1 a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, L2 a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and L3 a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0 be the 3 straight lines, no 2 of which are parallel. If it is parallel, means there is no intersection. Both are not parallel, that is a intersecting only. Because L1 is parallel to L2 means they are not intersecting, only line only. L2 is not parallel to L3 means intersecting, and L1 and L3. Therefore, no 2 of which are parallel. Then these lines are concurrent if and only if you have the formula, that is a1 b2 c3 minus b3 c2 plus b1 of c2 a3 minus c3 a2 plus c1 of a2 b3 minus a3 b3 is equal to 0. You have to prove this is. Let point of intersection of the lines L2 is equal to 0 and L3 is equal to 0. I am taking the L2 and L3. L1 as is I am writing. Therefore L2 is, how can I write here? A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0, and L3 is equal to A3x plus B3y plus C3 is equal to 0. You can solve this L2 and L3. How can you solve? Same as is, x of y of constant. Therefore you can write here B2 C2 A2 B2 as it is, and B3 C3 A3 B3. Therefore x by, do method, this is B2 C3 minus C2 B3, y by C2 A3 minus A2 C3, 1 by A2 B3 minus B2 A3 లేదా A2 B3. Therefore intersecting form of P is equal to what you are getting here? Intersect of P, point P you can write here. Therefore intersecting of P is equal to what you get here? X is equal to B2 C3 minus C2 B3 by A2 B3 minus A3 B2 can write here, comma C2 A3 minus A2 C3 by A2 B3 minus A3 B2. This equation is, if given L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0, L3 is equal to 0, concurrent lines, means you can solve these two equations. The intercept of the point is must be equivalent in satisfy the L1 only. Therefore you are taking the L2 and L3, solve the intercept of the point only, you get the P, intersection of the L2 and L3, you can substitute in L1. Therefore you get that is condition is, the straight lines are the concurrent. Therefore P lies on the L1 is equal to 0. How can I write here? What is the L1 is? A1x B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. Substitute the A1 of x1 is nothing but B2 C3 minus C2 B3 by A2 B3 minus A3 B2 plus B1 of C2 A3 minus A2 C3 divided by A2 B3 minus A3 B2 of C1 is equal to plus C1 is equal to 0. Plus C1 is equal to 0. You can take your LCM and simplify. What happens, that is A1 of B2 C3 minus C2 B3 plus B1 of C2 A3 minus A2 C3 plus C1 of A2 B3 minus A3 B2 is equal to 0. This is our condition. Okay, you got here, our condition is. Once again listen, A1 as is, X I am substituting, B1 as is, Y I am substituting, plus C is equal to 0. You can take the LCM is A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Therefore here already is there, therefore A1 B2 C3 minus C2 B3 plus B1 C2 A3 minus A2 C3 plus C1 of A2 B3 minus A3 B2 is equal to 0. This is our condition is when the three lines are concurrent. Okay, we have one note is, if L1 is equal to L2 is equal to 0, L3 is equal to 0, L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0, L3 is equal to 0, three straight lines are concurrent. Therefore another formula also you have the A1 B1 1 mod of a1 b1 c1, this is a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3 is equal to 0. Mod of, in matrix how to find the mod, you know about that is, you can find the mod of this value is, you get the 0, therefore you can say that the three lines are concurrent only. Okay, b1 a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3 is equal to 0. Also finding the method also, this is also one method is. Depends on the theorem, we have the problem, solved problem is given. Find the value of the k if the lines 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0, 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0, minus 33 this is equal to 0, are concurrent. How can you find it is, let given lines L1 is equal to 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. L2 is 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0. L3 is equal to 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0. You can solve this is L2 and L3 and find the intersecting point and you get the one value and substitute the in L1, therefore you can find the k value only. Therefore how can you solve this is, can observe here, call equation number 1 2 3. Therefore from 2 and 3 we have 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0, 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0. I am solving here method of x, y and constant. Can take the coefficient of y minus 4 minus 13 3 minus 4, again repeat. Here also minus 11 minus 3 8 minus 11, repeating that these two terms. Okay, therefore x by, you have this method is x by, how much it is, minus 4 into minus 3. You can write once again here, minus 4 into minus 3, minus 4 into this 33. Okay, this is 33 na, minus 11 33, 8 comma minus 11, therefore minus 4 into minus 33 minus asterisk minus 11 into minus 13 y by minus 13 into 8 minus of 3 into minus 33, 1 by 3 into minus 11 minus of minus 4 into 8. Once again listen, x by minus 1 into minus 33 minus asterisk minus 13 into minus 11, y is equal to minus 13 into 8 minus 3 into 33, 3 into minus 11 minus 8 into minus 4. Can simplify this is minus of minus plus only. 33 into 4 is nothing but 132 and minus of minus plus minus asterisk 11 into 13 is nothing but 143 is equal to y by 13 into 8, 13 is a 104 minus 104 okay, plus minus of minus plus plus 99 is equal to 1 by minus 33 plus 32. Okay, therefore x is equal to how much is 143 minus 132 plus, therefore you get the minus 11 and y is equal to minus 104 plus 99. You get here minus 5 only. It is constant 1 by minus 33 plus 32 is minus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 11 by minus 1. Y is equal to minus 5 by minus 1. Therefore x is equal to 11 comma y is equal to 5. This is the intersect form of x comma y is equal to what you got here? 11 comma 5. Okay. Then this value you can substitute in a remaining equation. You get the k value. Therefore 11 comma 5 is belongs to R in equation 1 only. Therefore 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. 2x is nothing but 11 minus 3, y is 5 plus k is equal to 0. 22 minus 15 plus k is equal to 0. 22 minus 15, how much it is? You get the 7 only. 7 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 7. This is the find the value of the k if it is 3 lines are concurrent. Next question. If the straight lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, bx plus cy plus a is equal to 0, cx plus ay plus b is equal to 0, concurrent lines, then prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Given lines you can write here. Given lines L1 is equal to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. L2 is bx plus cy plus a is equal to 0. Number 2. L3 is cx plus ay plus b is equal to 0. Solve any two equation. Again you can set the intercept form and the intercept point you can substitute in the third equation. Therefore I can write here solving the equation number 1 and 2. Solving the equations 1 and 2, we obtain what you have to obtain. You can observe here. Once again writing here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, bx plus cy plus a is equal to 0, x y 1, b c a b, I am repeating, and b, sorry, first you can write here c na, c a b c, and same as you can do x by ab minus c square, y by bc minus a square, 1 by ac minus b square, ab minus c square, bc minus a square, ca ac minus b square you got here. Therefore what is the form of intersect is x comma y is, can write here intersection or p of x comma y, anyone you can write here. ab minus c square by ac minus b square, bc minus a square by ac minus b square. Therefore the point is intersecting of the point of intersection of L1 and L2. L1 and L2 is P. Okay, this is the intersect of the point. L1 and comma L2 and L3 are what is given here? Concurrent. then what is the condition is? It is point P is belongs to L1 only. P1 is belongs to L1 is equal to 0. Therefore, L1 is, what is the L1 is? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A of x1 is, x1 I can write here, ab minus c square by ac minus b square plus b of y is nothing but bc minus a square by ac minus b square plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, I can take here LCM is ac minus b square as it is. A of sorry, this is C of L1 L2 you are taking na, L1 and L2, therefore it belongs to L3 only. For L3 is how much it is? Cx ay b only. This is a C, this is A, this is B only. Correction you can do, this is Cx plus ay plus b is equal to 0. Therefore C of ab minus c square by ac minus b square plus a of bc minus a square, cx plus ay plus b is equal to 0. Therefore c of ab minus c square by ac minus b square, a of bc minus a square by ac minus b square plus b is equal to 0. You can write here c of ab minus c square plus a of bc minus a square plus b of ac minus b square is equal to 0. Because you can write here once again ac minus b square is the LCM. You can multiply whatever there is, abc minus c cube plus abc minus a cube plus abc minus b cube is equal to 0. You can multiply this, ac minus b square is equal to 0. Therefore, I can write here minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube, and bring this side. What do you get here? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to ABC. How much it is? 3ABC. This is the condition you got here. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3ABC. This is the solved problems. Next you can go for the exercise.